Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired, unlocked, running a recent watch OS, and has sufficient battery. On your iPhone, sign into iCloud with the Apple ID you intend to use and confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Once done, open the Watch app on the iPhone and tap My Watch, then General or Apple ID settings to begin the sign in flow. You do this because the phone securely relays credentials to the watch and streamlines authentication. You enter your Apple ID password when prompted or approve sign in on the iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID, which is faster and secure. Next, watch for a 6-digit verification code if two-factor authentication is enabled. Type it into the watch or approve on the trusted device shown. Make sure to toggle the iCloud services you want to sync: contacts, health, photos, Find My, because enabling them determines what data appears on the watch and how backups and continuity work. You finish by allowing the devices a few minutes to sync. Check the Watch app to confirm the iCloud account and enabled services. If synchronization stalls, restart both the Apple Watch and iPhone, verify time and date settings, and ensure stable Wi-Fi or cellular. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and sign back in, update iOS/Watch OS to the latest version, and only then contact Apple support. This sequence isolates common issues before escalating to deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.